Now I'm gonna do what you guys did first, because what you did is awesome. Because you followed rules, you didn't break any algebraic rules. You went like this. A lot of you guys went. This is radical 3 over radical 8. Good job. Now what you can do from here, there's two different things you can do. Most of you guys did this next. You said radical 3 I can't simplify, but on this one I can simplify this. Now I'm writing extra because I want you guys to see what I'm thinking. That's the square root of 4 times the square root of 2, which is correct. And then that square root of 4, what is that? It's a 2. So a lot of you guys had square root of 3 over 2 square root of 2. Good job. Give yourself an applause. You did everything correctly. Okay, but when we get our final answer, we don't want a radical on the denominator. We got a radical on the denominator, right? Can't have that. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by a ginormous 1. That's a 1. Okay, don't make fun of my 1. Okay, why am I doing a ginormous 1? Because really, I'm multiplying by red 2 over red 2. What the heck's going on here? I don't like this. Okay, this is one way to think about it. See, now I can go... Now, am I changing a number when I multiply by 1? No, I'm not. That's why I'm allowed to do this. But how'd you know it was red 2? Because the denominator has a red 2. And I know if I multiply by red 2, the red 2 will go away. Let's check this out. On the top, I'm going to have red 3 times red 2. What's red 3 times red 2?
6.
Red 6. On the bottom, I have red 2 times red 2. So we get 2, red 4. Now, do you guys know what red 4 is?
2.
That's a 2. So it's 2 times 2. What do you get on the bottom?
4.
This is the final answer.
Oh.
Okay? Now, is there a different way to do this? Yes. I want to show you guys a different way. Some of you guys might see this right away from the beginning. Some of you guys might not, but we'll see. Okay, if you see red 3 over red 8, and you went, hey, red 8 is not a perfect square, and I do not want a radical on the denominator. You could have right here, multiplied the top and the bottom by something to make the 8 into a perfect square. What can I multiply to 8 to make it into a perfect square? 2. Okay, now not everybody sees it like this. Honestly, I see it like this up here. I like this one because this makes a lot of sense to me up top. But yeah. So I do this. What's red 3 times red 2? Red 6. On the bottom, I get red 16. And what is red 16? That's a perfect square. What is that? 4. So red 6 over 4. I get the same answer. It looks a little shorter this way, but you know, it doesn't matter which way you choose, just as long as you get the right answer.